Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and check Target inventory? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So let me tell you why you want to check Target inventory. So first of all, mostly in order to go ahead and shop to a Target and understand if they have the stock or not, you can simply go ahead and check it through online from your home itself as well. So all you need to do is firstly go ahead and select the store nearby you. So for example, it's on Iowa City downtown right over here, and click on shop this store. Now your page is going to be set into that store right over there. So for example, if I want this, and I can go ahead and see if it is available. As you can see, it says only one left down over here, and that is about it. That's how you can simply go ahead and check with every item. So if you want to, you can go ahead and check through this as well. So for example, let me just show you. If I go ahead and click on add to cart on this controller by going back, clicking on add to cart, so this is from Circle 360, so it's not available. But if the things are there, so as you can see, out of stock, and many more as well. You can check it on other places, so check stores. So as you can see, 3 left, 5 left, 3 left. That's about it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.